to change the default batch sizes and to modify settings such as treat warnings as errors, you want to modify the custom record that was installed by the CloudExtend bundle. So go to Customizations, List and Records, Record Types, and you're going to want to locate the Celigo CENS batch size setting record. And then if you click on List, I do recommend you actually customize this view because this will show you the values in the same view. So let's just scroll down here and choose Value. And we'll give this record a name that is unique. Go ahead and save it. And I like to turn on inline editing. And now I can see the default values, and I can actually change these values as well. So if I wanted to change the refresh batch size from 25 to 50 or the upload batch size from 50 to 25, it's just a simple matter of making that change. Then sign out of your CloudExtend Excel app and sign back in, and the app will pick up all these new changes. It's as simple as that.